Hi family, I hope that you are doing amazing. And for this video, I am going to do something a little bit different and start by taking you outside with me and show you how I do a little nervous system reset by going outside and quieting my mind and doing several deep breaths. I'll also show you all of the adorable animals that I get to enjoy every day when I do this. And that really stimulates my heart chakra as well. Like the cute dogs that are always at the park and all of the adorable little bunny rabbits that are always around as well. And so I just thought that y'all could enjoy with me as you listen and we begin this video. So do me a favor and take a deep breath for me. And I want you to put your attention on your heart. This will stimulate your vagus nerve so that you too can enjoy a little nervous system reset as you receive the message in this video. So let's begin. You've done the healing, the affirmations. You felt like your higher self, even just for a moment. But somehow you keep slipping back into self-doubt, overthinking, old patterns. But I want you to know you're not broken. You're in a loop. And today, I'll show you exactly how to break it. Here's the truth that most manifestation videos won't tell you or don't talk about enough. Your old self isn't just a version of you. It's an emotional home. A set of nervous system patterns your body believes are safer than your evolution. So when you try to become your higher self, but your nervous system is still anchored in fear, in scarcity, or rejection, you will snap back. It's not a mindset issue. It's biology, it's trauma, it's safety. So think of it like this. Your current identity equals the autopilot program that your body is running. And it really helps to think of it like that. It certainly did for me, because then it also makes sense that you can upgrade it, right? But only through consistent embodied repetition and not just through a burst of motivation, right? And this is why subliminals work so well for me, because when you understand that everything is a program, it also clicks that everything can be reprogrammed. And subliminals really help with this consistent embodied repetition and that oversaturation of the new programs that we need. And that's also why I make subliminals on my channel. And they are specifically for y'all. The ones that I make for myself are a bit different because they strictly stick to I am, whereas the ones on my channel use the second person you are, and they are really made for y'all. So use those to help with the reprogram if you feel called. And the other kicker that is important to understand here is that the loop gets tighter the closer that you get to a breakthrough. And if you're wondering why, that's okay. It's important to understand the why, because just our human nature needs to make sense of things a lot of the times, right? But It's because your old identity is dying and it will do anything to survive. And it's not your fault, and it's not the fault of the old identity. It is just about the program. And also, when you take the blame and the fault off of yourself and make it about the program, that's really when you start to see more rapid change and things that start to stick and solidify for you, right? And it's also important to understand that our expansion really comes through that battle between our lower and our higher self. Okay, so now you might be asking, how do I stop going back? And you do that by creating anchors, by creating identity anchors, energy anchors, and nervous system anchors. And so I did create a free daily tool called the Break the Loop Anchor Guide, and I'll walk you through how to use that in just a second. But I think first we should start with a new mantra, which is going to be, I no longer negotiate with the identity I've outgrown. Okay, so this is really simple, but is very powerful. And you know that's how I like to keep it over here. So every day you are going to ask yourself 3 questions. Who am I choosing to be? Where am I looping? How can I recalibrate with breath, movement, or awareness? And you are going to do this check-in with yourself if you're really serious about it and if it feels good, morning, midday, and night. But again, if you just even want to do it once a day, that is still powerful, that is still consistent, and I promise you'll start to do it more the more that it starts to work for you, and it just happens naturally. Because the point is not to micromanage, the point is to keep embodying your future self until it becomes your baseline. Okay, so remember, family, that when you feel like your old self again, that you're not failing, you are not broken, remember to make it about the program and understand that you are simply in the integration gap, and that is totally manageable. And also remember that the version of you who no longer loops is so much closer than you feel like at times, and stick with me and I am going to get you there, okay? So I'm also going to pin the guide that I created, the Break the Loop Anchor Guide. I'm going to pin that in the comments for you to use if you feel called. And go ahead and comment I break the loop if you want to claim and declare your evolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Please know that I'm so proud of you. I'm so grateful for you. I love you so much. And keep going. I am pulling for you. I am rooting for you. And as always, I can't wait to see what you do.